है? हाँ
Currently, we are having like around
हाँ,
five patients today.
अच्छे सौ हाँ या
Starting with the first bed in ICU, he's a 68-year-old male patient, sir. Today
या
it is day 24 of his illness. He came with complaints of fever and dyspnea since 6 days, but he got admitted.
see how to take this out. हाँ हाँ, just 1 second. Huh?
Yes, sir.
There's something blocking your view, you know. That's why we're trying to take this. I don't know how and why it has come here. Acha, maybe if you click below somewhere. Ah, yeah. Put it down there. Okay. And are we sharing the screen? What about the logs also, side by side? Isn't it? That's how it's done. Okay, you continue, Natasha. Huh.
So,
Continue.
so the 68-year-old male, I think Chandana made his vlog. So,
Yeah, actually today DK is there. He doesn't know how to operate the thing. Chandana hasn't handed over. So anyway, so which is that? The
68-year-old male, the first bed patient in ICU, sir.
uh,
So,
58-year-old man.
68, sir.
Yeah, 58-year-old man.
68, sir. 68.
68. Acha,
Yes, sir.
68 man with psoriasis.
Yes, sir, that man.
Yeah.
The blog is already made, sir.
Yeah, all of your blogs are made, I think. But
Yes.
I don't know whether Chandana is not here, so he's not able to.
No, sir, I think some UG student made the blog of the psoriasis patient.
Hmm. Yeah, but I mean, he doesn't know how to access them, you know?
Okay.
So, yeah.
So, this
Chosen
patient,
this.
yesterday
Click on
evening,
that. Click on
he.
that. Click. Click there. On that. This this picture. You click there. Picture not clickable. Now share. Share. Yeah. So now the entire screen is getting shared. You are presenting your screen. Now you have to pick up the log from the inbox. Uh, Inbox. Here you will be able to see where those logs are. But of course you have to know where they are. Otherwise you can't make out. Okay, anyway, let it be. Let's today we'll do it without those. And
I think in that search,
let's go back to Natasha. Yeah.
sir, I think we can search it there in the email search column.
Yeah. Anyway, today you just present. I mean, just tell us the salient features. Yeah, we already know him, and I think most of the people who are here, they already know him. So, like, because we do not have, so we'll see how much can be done. But yeah,
Yes.
so just tell us about him. His problem was he was doing okay.
He
And
was
in
doing okay, sir, since
which day of COVID was he?
day 24, sir.
24th day.
Yes,
That's a
sir.
huge difference, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 24th day of COVID. So 24th day is still not better. He is becoming worse.
Actually, yes, sir. He since yesterday he started becoming the snake. So since yesterday evening, I started him on BiPAP, sir, intermittent BiPAP.
Yeah.
After that,
Yeah. So initially, when he had come, let's say 24th day of the disease, and how many days he has been here with us?
he has been here since 15 days, sir.
15 days. So
Yes,
when
sir.
he had come initially, he was not requiring BiPAP. He was
No,
kind of
sir.
requiring a little bit of oxygen, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Maybe
Yes,
2
sir.
liters, 4 liters, 6 liters.
No, sir. He was requiring up to
Huh?
12 to 14 liters on NRM.
NRBM. That was just 2, 3 days back. But what
No,
about
sir.
15 days back?
Even before that, he was on NRBM only, sir.
Yeah. But you are here for 1 week, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Since then only he was, even before I came only, he
Yeah.
was
When
on
you
NRBM.
came, When you came 1 week back, he was requiring an RBM.
Yes, sir.
But you delete that. No, delete that. Delete that. But where is that? Now we finally rid of that. Okay, good. Yeah. But still there's a ghost there. It's not going. Anyway, yeah. So Natasha, you had, yeah, Chandana sent something. I think the last file which you can see in her name, that's the one. Last one, yeah. That last one which just
First one, first one.
No, don't put it this side only. Yeah, just click on that. Chandana written. That one. Yeah, now click on that. Of course, that is bed number 4, she is saying. 70-year-old man, this one?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the same. Psoriasis, yeah, this is the man. Yeah, come down. So Navya has made this log, and this is what Natasha was talking about, isn't it? This man.
Yes, sir.
But this peculiar ghost of the class is not going. It's standing in front of Natasha's image. So anyway, so Natasha, you can see the log now on
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
screen.
sir.
Yeah. So this patient came to here 15 days back. You came here 7 days back. When you saw him, he was in NRBM.
Yes,
But
sir.
when he was, before you came, 1 week he was just having a little bit of, 2 liters, 4 liters, 6 liters. So he has been gradually worsening. Gradually, the scores has been worsening. And now we have put him on BiPAP, isn't it? So how is he on BiPAP right now?
Sir, he's doing fine on BiPAP, sir. His dyspnea came down and he's comfortable.
He's comfortable.
Yes, sir.
He is doing well. His saturation is good. His efforts are less.
Actually, sir, his saturations were maintaining even on NRBM also, sir.
NRBM.
But
Yeah, but
only
only
thing
he was
was
having to
he's
put
having
more
more work
efforts.
of breathe. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So by putting him on BiPAP, you have cut down his efforts.
Yes, sir.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
That's the advantage. Good.
Currently, now he is on NRBM, so because he just had his food.
You are thinking of putting him on NRBM again?
No, sir, he had his food just now, so that is the reason why I put him on NRBM because we need to.
Can you close up to that? Yeah. So doing very well on BiPAP 99. All right. So
This is on NRBM, sir. These
okay, this
saturations
is
are on
NRBM.
NRBM.
Okay. Good. Good. So basically, he is gone till BiPAP from 2 to 4 liters, but he is coming back, hopefully. So what
Yes,
is
sir.
this pathology in the lung, Natasha, which is making him go all this distance?
Sir, I
And
think
we've seen so many, yeah,
it looks more like fibrosis, sir.
fibrosis, yeah. So do you have any image to show us how it is? Acha, maybe DK can, he's rolling down.
Yes.
Good. Go ahead. Come down. Yes, down. The images will be down, further down. So a lot of hard work done by Navya. But yeah. Okay, above. Yeah, see, click on this. We have got only one image. Ideally, this should have been bigger, I mean, it should
Yes.
have been captured frame by frame, Navya. But of course, Navya cannot capture it frame by frame. She has just uploaded whatever has been sent to her. So one of our PGs, like today Vinay was there, Natasha, we could have
Yes.
made him capture this frame by frame. Only when you go through the e-logs, you'll realize where are the inadequacies.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Plus,
sir.
if we can really zoom through this e-log also, which we can't, fortunately, you can actually see the patient's name. But we are letting it go because the name won't be visible because it cannot be zoomed, hopefully. So you can try zooming it and seeing if you can see the name. I don't think you can. Yeah, you did save it already. Yeah, all you have to do is just open it. It's not coming. Yeah, it's not coming. Okay. It has come. Zoom it. I mean, increase it. Go further. Go further. Further. No, further down. I mean, zoom. Yeah. So on Zoom, there is increased pixelation, and the name is also blurred. So that's why we have let it be. But ideally, we should catch it frame by frame without the name. That is how it should be ideally. But you can see here there's a lot of fibrosis, Natasha, actually, already.
Yes, sir.
I don't know which day the CT was done, but it was not definitely the 5th day. Might have been the 10th day or after that. Because he's already 25 days, as you said, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So maybe if
It
he
was
was
done
15
on
days
11th
here,
May, sir.
and this doesn't look like our CT, so
It
he
was
had
done.
just done
It was
outside. I mean,
done
before
on
weekend.
11th May, sir.
7th May.
11th,
Yes,
11th.
10th May. Yeah,
11th,
so
sir,
long
11th.
time back now, 18 days already. So 18 days, huh? So it was the 7th day, kind of, isn't it? All right. So yeah, what you can see is he's already got some areas of air bronchograms and a lot of traction bronchiectasis as well as, in fact, peripheral honeycombing as well
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
to suggest the fibrosis. So this is a stage. Raveen will talk about it in detail. ILD in inflammatory stage and fibrotic stage. Inflammatory is showing ground glass opacities. Fibrosis showing these changes of fibrosis. And as you can see, there is some
I
tree
have
in bud, tree in
but
bud appearance also here. Can you zoom into that tree below? No, above. Go above. Maybe take above. Like just pull it up. Zooming in and then pulling it up. Yeah, bring up, like that, like that. Pull it up, this way. This down, above, up, further, further up, Now see, now yeah, that one. See here you can see the tree in bud.
yes,
Like
sir.
you can see a tree like that is hard. There. Come left, left. See, there's a tree coming up to the left. Go above. That's
That
tree.
is the dream.
That's like a branch. Yeah, and you can see some small buds on that, isn't it? So probably that is the inflammatory, the secretions which are collected in the bronchioles, even at that stage. So there is ongoing inflammation as well as fibrosis going on here. The 17th day, isn't it? Okay, Natasha. So basically, what we're dealing with is probably the effect of fibrosis and lung damage
Yes, sir.
causing hypoxia and effortful breathing. So he's a passenger for long COVID. So let us see how long he'll take to come out of his hypoxia. Okay, good. So shall we move to the next patient?
Yes, sir. So she is a 48-year-old female.
I think you click on that. Just below. There. That icon. Middle. No, there. Yeah.
So the next patient is a 46-year-old female, sir.
Huh.
Today it is day 11 of her illness. She actually came with complaints of fever and cough since past 1 week.
All right.
And now, since the day of admission, she has been having cough, which is fluctuating. I mean, one day it is subsiding, and one day it is increasing.
Hmm.
And since
So
yesterday,
did Vinay make her log today? This patient?
sir, he took images, sir. So,
But it's not been made yet. Okay, fine. Continue. Huh.
so
So her problem is that she was not wanting to stay and she wanted to go home, isn't it?
no,
Although
sir,
her
that is the other lady, sir. This lady, she's fine. The other lady left, the one in second bed.
there's the other lady who went home already.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, which is this other lady? Then there's the other lady is a diabetic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. De novo diabetic.
Yeah, so she has become all right now.
No, actually, the thing is, since yesterday she's having to put more effort for breathing, sir. So today, I'm planning to put her on BiPAP for today.
Can't hear you, Natasha.
Her saturations are maintaining with 4 liters of oxygen, sir, but she is having to put more effort while breathing.
Acha, this lady has also gone into effortful breathing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So today, I'm planning to put her on BiPAP, sir.
Acha, do we have her pathology?
Yes, sir. We do have, sir.
Huh? What was it? What does it look like? I think we
Uh,
must be having her log. No, Natasha,
sir?
her log must have been made by now.
Yes, sir. I think
Yeah, I see bed one. It
Chandana
must be
made
bed
the
one.
log, sir.
Bed one. Huh? This should be the one. Yeah. Yeah, Abhignya. Abhignya had made this log, isn't it? Yeah, you cross that off. Yeah. Come down. 51-year-old woman. Huh? Come down. So diabetes and
She's not
desaturation.
51, so she's 46.
Yeah, can you see? We have opened the log here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Natasha, I think we are also showing it to you. Why don't you go down? Go down. Further. So, I don't know why it is not here. Go down. So, Natasha, it seems Abhignya did not get the log. I mean the CT films to upload. So, when did you get the CT films, Natasha? Be
Sir,
careful of the identifier. Hmm. Yeah. Right.
we
It's
got
better.
it done on. We got it done here, sir. After coming here,
Yeah, but when did you get it? Because Abhignya made this log. When did she make it?
we got it done on 24th, sir.
Uh-huh. We got in
24th.
24th. Abhignya made it when? Just go up, up, up. 26th. So she should have seen the CT. I mean, she should have gotten the CT to put it up. Anyway. So, yeah, we could get some glimpse of the opacities which you are showing, but not a
I,
good glimpse unless you take a proper picture. Huh, okay, good. This is nice. Anything? Okay. Yeah. So there's a big peripheral opacity on the
yes, sir.
left side there. Yeah. And peripheral opacity on the right also. So most of them are very peripheral opacities, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what is this?
Even there's mild upper lobe involvement also, sir.
Huh? Huh? Yeah, even the upper lobe is involved here. Yeah, you can see upper lobar involvement.
Yes,
There's a
sir.
lot of upper lobar involvement here. So what is with it with these peripherally stuck opacities? As if somebody has pasted them to the periphery. So maybe Raveen will be able to throw some light on that. So what happens in these kind of interstitial lung diseases? So why is it pasted like that on that area? Okay. So yeah, she has got some significant pathology, Natasha, to explain
Yes,
her
sir.
desaturation, and it's surprising that she never desaturated earlier. So what day of illness is this?
11th, sir. 11th day.
11th day,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So most likely she was in her viremic phase till now, maybe 2 3 days back, and now she has gone into the immune phase. Of course, the lungs have already been taken over, so it would have been probably even earlier. So yes, there is some substantial damage to the lungs, and that effect of the damage is only being physiologically felt now. Anatomically, it was already recorded on 24th of May, as you're saying, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Now make it a point that Natasha, please share the de-identified CT images in the group so that Abhignya can upload it to her log. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So her sugars are controlled. What is the
Ye-
sugar control like? Are we starting her on OHS?
Sir, actually, yesterday we started on OHS, but
Huh.
Arjun sir asked me to continue her on insulin, sir,
Huh.
because again metformin will again cause lactic acidosis, and she's also having tachypnea and all. I mean, which will
Yeah,
again
yeah.
worsen. So,
Yeah,
sir,
so metformin can be avoided. And okay, as long as she's in insulin, it's fine. I mean, but the only thing is you have to teach her how to take it properly so that she can, inject herself at home.
uh, before discharge, I'll change her to OHS, sir.
Yeah, but again, it will take some time. To titrate the dose of OHA, it will take about 4 5 days. So, so we'll have to see when you can start putting her on that. Let's see. I mean, she is not out of the woods yet,
Yes,
so
sir.
she'll require some monitoring. So let's continue the insulin and see. Otherwise, I would be okay with OHAs also. because we have put, like some patients like her, we have put on OHs and then we have sent them home.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
after dose titration, and more or less people have done well on OHs as well. Okay. So, what is the blood sugar control now? I mean, fasting, PT, any 7-point profile you can share?
Yes, sir. I can share it, sir.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Why is the entire screen blocked with everything? That screen, that is blocked, this is blocked. This, your screen is still visible. Ah, yeah,
So
you can.
these are the sugars, sir.
Ah,
Yesterday.
yeah. So this is the GRBS.
Yes, sir.
So this is not good. 306, 493, 301. So what insulin are you giving her?
We are giving her only short-acting, sir, Actapid.
Huh?
We are giving her regular insulin, sir.
She's eating, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So are you giving her basal bolus or only bolus?
Only bolus.
Only bolus. So you have to make it basal bolus.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, make it NPH required amount of dose 8, 8, 10, 10, whatever you want to start baseline titration.
Yes,
And
sir.
also give her the proper Actrapid dose from
Yes.
whatever you can gather from yesterday's requirements. Okay. So
Yes,
adjust
sir.
it accordingly. I think she could be given 10, 10, 10 Actrapid, depending on her meals and pre-meals, and also NPH 10, 10.
Okay,
If you
sir.
want to really give insulin. And then we can down titrate, up titrate, whatever. 2 plus 2 minus, like that.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next patient, would you like to tell us?
Yes, sir.
So these are only the
So,
ICU patients?
no, sir, there's one more in ICU, the HHS patient.
Huh?
So she is a 51-year-old female, sir.
Huh?
She was brought to us in an alter sensorium.
Huh?
So she was sent from Nalgonda Government Hospital, sir.
Huh?
There they recorded her sugars of around 750.
Huh?
So they sent her here. So after coming here, her sugars were around 560.
Huh? When
G.
was she admitted?
So she got admitted on 24th, sir.
24th.
Yes, sir.
So I must have seen her in the morning today.
Yes, sir. You saw her, sir.
Which bed number?
The one in separate single with the HHS patient who was aggressive till day before yesterday. Her serum
Yeah.
osmolality was 330.
Yeah. Which bed is she?
She's on the single separate bed, sir. The opposite bed, opposite to the nursing station.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. She was earlier in that AMC cubicle.
No, sir. AMC cubicle lady is the one who we discussed just now.
Oh, acha,
Before.
acha. So then I was thinking about her.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. AMC cubicle is the one we discussed just now, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And the
sir.
other one is the diabetic lady
Yes, sir.
who had come with diabetic hyperosmolar state,
Yes,
altered
sir.
sensorium. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
had
Yes,
started
sir.
her on drip, and then slowly her diabetes has settled. And now
Yes,
she's
sir.
fine, and you're planning to shift her, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The same lady.
And that's why I was thinking about her when you said saturation.
No, sir.
Because
No.
I knew that her saturation was doing quite well.
She's doing quite well, sir. Except for her sugars, everything is under control, sir. Her
Yeah.
sugars are also coming under control, sir. So,
Huh. Huh. So which day of COVID is she?
sir, she is 7th day, sir.
7th day of COVID.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Hmm.
So she's currently on NPH insulin and Acapid, sir.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
in the morning,
Yeah, her main problem was her hyperosmolar non-ketotic state,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and from which you have brought her down.
Yes, sir.
And the COVID was just mild COVID. It is not causing any problem.
Yes, sir. As
So
of now.
because it's 7th day, we can't shift her out.
Yes, sir.
We'll wait for 2 more days,
Yes, sir.
3 days, and then we can send her home. If
Yes,
everything
sir.
is fine, isn't it? That's the plan.
Yes, sir.
So you want to go to AMC now?
Yes, sir.
AMC, everybody settled?
Sir, one patient got discharged in AMC. So
Yeah, we have 3 patients. One whom you are discharging the BiPAP, the one who had we had inaugurated the BiPAP on,
yes, sir.
and he became quite all right. So you're
Yes, sir.
discharging him.
Yes, sir.
Then
He
there's
got
another
discharged.
patient who is febrile,
Yes, sir.
but otherwise fine.
Yes,
No
sir.
desaturation.
No,
Then there's
nothing.
another patient who is desaturating and who has got very fantastic ground glass opacities on his CT. And that patient is on high flow nasal mask, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, and we don't have his log yet so that we could find out something.
Actually, Vinay took his pictures today, sir. I mean the case
Yeah,
sheet
yeah.
and all
Vinay has
other.
captured all the data and he will prepare them today with the UGs. Okay, so I think that's fine. So would you like to stay for Ravin's presentation?
Yes, sir.
The HIV woman, 40-year-old.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then you can also discuss some of the lung pathologies of ILD, PCP, COVID, all those things combined. Because
Yes,
this
sir.
lady, we are suspecting COVID, at the same time we are suspecting PCP
PCP.
and many interstitial pneumonias that can otherwise happen with HIV itself.
Yes.
Very interesting case. Okay. So over to Ravin.